In a world where walls look at us silently and judge our taste in decor, today we're taking control by building 10 unbelievably simple, hilariously charming wooden shelves that even beginners can handle without crying over splinters. Welcome to a world where creativity meets comedy, because who said shelves can't be funny? Let's dive into these solid wood ideas that turn your home into an art gallery with a sense of humor. Our first adventure begins with the almost straight shelf, a beautifully simple plank of solid wood that proudly embraces its tiny imperfections. Instead of worrying about measuring perfectly, or at all, you simply cut, sand, and mount it like you meant for it to look quirky. Add a clear finish, and suddenly friends think it's artisan. That's right, artisan, not accident. Next comes the lazy L shelf, designed for people who want storage but have the motivation of a sleepy koala. Just cut one board, cut another a little shorter, glue them in an L shape, clamp them, and boom, you've invented geometry. Add 2 screws underneath like you're installing rocket boosters, and your shelf becomes so strong even your cat can't destroy it, probably. Then we have the invisible support shelf, which sounds complicated but is basically a wooden plank pretending to float like a magician's assistant. Drill a hidden mounting hole in the back, slide it onto a bracket, and pretend you engineered something genius. Your viewers will be impressed, and you won't have to reveal how easy it actually was. If you're feeling artistic, try the wiggly wave shelf, a single board cut with curvy, wavy lines that look like you let the wood dance before it settled down. Sand it smooth so it doesn't attack you with splinters, hang it up, and enjoy how guests stare at it trying to decide whether it's modern art or a happy accident from your jigsaw. For comedy lovers, there's the shelf with a smile, where you carve 2 tiny eyes and a goofy grin into the front edge before staining it. It holds your stuff and judges your life choices with a happy expression. Beginner-friendly, fun to build, and guaranteed to make someone laugh, even if that someone is only you. Now let's talk about the wonky triangle shelf, which is literally 3 boards glued into a triangle that tries its best to be symmetrical, but isn't. And that's the charm. Mount it on your wall as a decorative piece that says, perfection is overrated, but vibes are forever. The speedrun shelf is perfect for automation-style videos. 1 long plank, 2 side pieces, 3 cuts, and a time-lapse that makes you look like a woodworking ninja. Add a quick coat of finish, screw it onto the wall, and enjoy comments like, "Bro, how did you do that so fast, even though it took you an hour?" And then we have the secret pocket shelf, a simple shelf with a tiny sliding compartment underneath. Nothing fancy. Just 2 thin strips acting as rails and a mini wooden tray that slides like a drawer. You can hide keys, candy, or your emotional support snacks. Your viewers will love this one. For plant lovers, introduce the mini garden shelf, just a thick wooden board with round cutouts to hold small plant pots. It's simple, adorable, and guarantees your plants won't fall unless they have personal goals of self-destruction. Add a waterproof finish and admire your indoor jungle's new throne. Finally, wrap things up with the overconfident chunky shelf, a thick, bold slab of solid wood that looks heavy enough to support a small elephant but actually weighs less than your laundry basket. Heavy-duty brackets make it look professional, while the simplicity makes it perfect for beginners pretending to be pros. And as you look at your wall full of funny, creative wooden shelves, remember, DIY should be fun, not stressful. Whether your shelves turned out perfect or perfectly crooked, you created something with your own hands, and that's what makes it art. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple and funny woodcraft ideas, and share this with anyone whose walls are begging for personality. Until the next project, keep crafting, keep laughing, and keep letting the wood tell its story.